Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DCTV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the national news. Really at THQ Kamalia honors Pakistan Army on Yom-e Tashakkur. Thanksgiving Day ceremony held at Government Elementary School Navan Saguthal. Thank you Day ceremony held in Hyderabad to honor Pakistan Army. Thanksgiving Day celebrated in Sargodha with patriotic zeal. Thanksgiving Day celebrated in Bara with tributes to armed forces and police. Flag hoisting ceremony marked Yom-e Tashakkur victory in Vihari. Thanksgiving Day celebrated with patriotism in Dina Jehlam. And Kahuta police recover liquor arrest suspect in drug crackdown. These are headlines. Lead to news detail. Now the detail is here. A rally was held at Tehsil Headquarter Hospital THQ Kamalia on Yom-e Tashakkur to celebrate the Pakistan Army's success and honor martyrs' sacrifices. Led by Medical Superintendent Dr. Mia Adil Arif, the event including doctors, nursing staff, paramedics, patients, relatives and citizens. Partnerships raised patriotic slogans like Pakistan Zindabad and Shohda Paindabad, showcasing strong national unity. Dr. Arif praised Operation Bunyan al-Marsoos for breaking India's war, arrogance and boosting national pride. The rally reflected the community's unwavering support for the armed forces and their commitment to honoring the sacrifices of Pakistan heroes. According to Divisional Bureau Chief Sargodha Raja Noor Ilahi Atif, Deputy District Education Officer of Tehsil Nurpur Thar, Mr. Zahir Abbas Bhatti praised the Pakistan Armed Forces during a Thanksgiving Day ceremony at Government Elementary School Navan Saguthal. As a chief guest, he highlighted the Army's exceptional capabilities and the pride it has brought by defeating India. The event was presided over by Headmaster Haji Ghulam Rasool and attended by education officials, local leaders, teachers, students, and dignitaries. Mr. Bhatti also hoisted the national flag, receiving a warm welcome from the community. Now, a grand ceremony was held at Circuit House, Hyderabad to mark Thank You Day for the right to fight, honoring the Pakistan Army's courage against India aggression. Attendees including MNA Sayyid Tariq Shah Jammood, Mayor Kashif Shoro, Commissioner Bilal Ahmad Memon, and other officials. Jammood condemned the Pahalgam incident and stressed national unity despite political differences. Mayor Shoro praised Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari's diplomatic efforts, while Commissioner Memon highlighted Pakistan's peaceful nature and rejected false terrorism accusations. The event celebrated Pakistan's diplomatic and military victories, reaffirming the nation's resilience and unity in defending its sovereignty. Thanksgiving Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm in Sargodha Division, says Divisional Bureau Chief Raja Noor Ilahi Atif. The main ceremony was held at the Commissioner Office, attended by Commissioner Malik Jahanzeb Awan, Regional Police Officer, District Police Officer, and Deputy Commissioner. A police contingent saluted while patriotic slogans like Long Live Pakistan Armed Forces echoed throughout. Commissioner Awan praised the armed forces for their strong and unforgettable response to the enemy, highlighting the Pakistan Air Force air dominance. Later, a rally with thousands of citizens marched to Musharraf Ali Air Base, showing heartfelt support and tribute to the armed forces.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.
On May 16, Bara marked Thanksgiving Day with a rally and flag hoisting led by Assistant Commissioners Naveed Ahmed. Police and district officials, along with community leaders, honor martyrs by laying wreaths and supporting their families. The Pakistan Armies and Air Force was praised for their bravery against Indian aggression. The event echoes with slogans celebrating the armed forces and police, highlighting unity and patriotism in the region. A flag hoisting ceremony was held at the Deputy Commissioner's office in Vihari to mark Yom-e Tashakkur, celebrating a historic victory. MNA Mia Saqib Khurshid and Additional Deputy Commissioner Muzaffar Khan raised the national flag. Officials including Assistant Commissioner Ghazala Kanwal and Secretary Kamran Anwar attended a minute's silence, paid tribute to martyrs, followed by prayers for the nation's security and prosperity. The event showcased strong patriotism and unity. So reported by Sajid Chaudhary, Bureau Chief, Multan Division. Dina Jahlam celebrated Thanksgiving Day with a flag hoisting ceremony led by Assistant Commissioner Safa Abid. Rescue 1122 saluted at official, local leaguers and citizens attended. A rally marched to Mia Chowk with slogans praising Pakistan and its armed forces. Dina Traffic Police ensured smooth flow during the event. AC Safa Abid and former MPA Meher Mohammad Fayaz praised the military's bravery and reaffirmed national unity. The ceremony ended with prayers for peace and prosperity, so reported by Syed Zulkarnain Shah. In the last, Kahuta police seized 100 liters of homemade liquor and arrested Majid Hussain during an operation under the Drug-Free Punjab drive. The operation was led by Sub-Inspector Farooq Chauhan and supervised by SDPO Afzal Lohdi. A case has been registered and the suspect is in custody. Authorities pledge to continue efforts against drug dealers. So this is report by Nadeem Azad. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. This is me, Damanda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. DCTV USA, DTV and our OTT platform DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.
You came to this country for a brighter future for you and your loved ones. You've made it this far. Now it's time to become a citizen. With citizenship, you gain the right to vote, access to federal jobs, the ability to keep your family closer, and the freedom to travel with a U.S. passport. These are just a few of the benefits waiting for you when you become eligible. We're here to help you through the process with free resources and personalized guidance. Together, we can make it easier. Get started at becomeacitizentoday.com.